Leeks, with their mild onion-like flavor and versatility in cooking, are not only delicious but also offer a wide array of health benefits. These leafy vegetables are packed with essential nutrients and bioactive compounds that support various aspects of health and well-being. Including leeks in your diet can provide numerous advantages for overall health. Leeks are rich in flavonoids, especially one called kaempferol. Flavonoids are antioxidants and may have anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and anti-cancer properties, as well as other health benefits. Here are 13 amazing health benefits of leeks. Rich in nutrients. Leeks are a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, manganese, and iron. Supports heart health. The antioxidants and allicin in leeks help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure. Anti-inflammatory properties. Leeks contain kaempferol and other phytochemicals that have anti-inflammatory effects, reducing inflammation in the body. Digestive health. The fiber in leeks supports healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. Boosts immunity. Vitamin C in leeks strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight off infections. Bone health. Vitamin K in leeks is important for bone health and may reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Antioxidant benefits. Leeks are rich in antioxidants like polyphenol, which protects cells from oxidative damage. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the flavonoids and sulfur-containing compounds in leeks may help prevent certain cancers. Eye health. The lutein and zeaxanthin in leeks are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Skin health. Vitamin A in leeks promotes healthy skin and may help prevent skin disorders. Improves cognitive function. The folate and antioxidants in leeks support brain health and cognitive function. Regulates blood sugar. The fiber and antioxidants in leeks help stabilize blood sugar levels. Hair health. The iron and vitamin C in leeks are important for maintaining healthy hair.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.